Hi guys, today I'm opening some Squish-Dee-lish Series 2 and I'm very excited for this video because it is my first ever time. Let's start. This one's kind of pink. Ooh, like a kitty.
Ooh, pink kitty.
Squish it. There we go. Ooh, it's kind of like a flower.
Oh, awesome.
I'm gonna squish all the petals in, and she will slow rise like that. This one still hasn't slow rise.
Okay, squeeze them together and let's see how they rise.
So let's watch the Squishies slow rise together.
Which one is your favourite, Tara?
I think, I'm not sure, but I really like this one.
We thought that was going to be an ice cream. Yeah, it's a flower. Oh, that riz quicker than the kitty. She's still going.
Smaller. But you can still push it on the button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram.